Good morning. Hi. How are you this morning? You okay? Oh, bless you. Are you okay? Hey. I was going to sit there. Maybe not. What? You're hungry? You're very lucky, aren't you? Hey, you get your meal served. You don't have to do the adult thing where every conversation in the house is about what's for tea. What should we have for tea? And he normally asks me after he's just eaten his tea. Yeah, what's for tea tomorrow? What should we do? Hey? Whereas you had like chicken, sausages, nice food. There you go, sweet cheeks. Enjoy. Have a lovely day and I'll see you later. Okay?